Today we are flying over the newly opened McKinley Ave traffic circle. The California High-Speed Rail will construct an overpass that travels over the Union Pacific's railroad tracks and the future high-speed rail tracks that will run just west of the Union Pacific lines. Motor vehicles and pedestrians will safely pass over the two rail lines once the construction is complete. At the time of filming this, BuildHSR.com did not have any additional information about the project. Stay tuned to the end to see a quick drive around the traffic circle.